We are adding new videos frequently. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest videos. Hawaiian cuisine is a delicious blend of flavors influenced by the native Hawaiian culture, Asian immigrants, and other culinary traditions. Here are 18 of the best foods to try in Hawaii. Poke, a traditional Hawaiian dish made with raw fish, often marinated in soy sauce, sesame oil, and other seasonings. Variations include ahi, tuna, poke and tako, octopus, poke. Kalua Pig, a tender and flavorful dish made by slow cooking a whole pig in an underground oven called an imu. Lomi Lomi Salmon, a refreshing salad made with salted salmon, tomatoes, onions, and green onions, often served at luaus and gatherings. Poi, a staple food made from mashed taro root. It has a unique texture and is often served as a side dish. Haupia, a coconut milk-based dessert that is creamy and slightly firm, similar to a pudding or jelly. Plate lunch, a popular Hawaiian meal consisting of a protein, like teriyaki chicken, kalbi ribs, or loco moco, served with rice and macaroni salad. Loco moco, a hearty dish made with a scoop of white rice, a hamburger patty, a fried egg, and gravy. Malasadas, Portuguese-inspired deep-fried donuts coated in sugar, often filled with custard, chocolate, or other sweet fillings. Luau, a traditional dish made by wrapping pork, butterfish, or other proteins in taro or luau leaves and then steaming them. Spam musubi, a popular snack made with a slice of grilled spam on top of a block of rice, wrapped with nori, seaweed. Shave ice, a refreshing treat made with finely shaved ice topped with flavored syrups and sometimes condensed milk. It's a perfect way to cool down on a hot day. Manapua, a Hawaiian version of Chinese bao. Manapua features fluffy steamed buns filled with savory or sweet fillings. Huli huli chicken, grilled chicken marinated in a sweet and tangy sauce, often served at local fundraisers and events. Simon, a noodle soup dish that's a fusion of Japanese ramen, Chinese mein, and Filipino pancit. Ahi poke bowl, a modern twist on poke, often served on a bed of rice or greens with various toppings and sauces. Hawaiian sweetbread, a soft and sweet bread often used for sandwiches, French toast, and other desserts. Coconut shrimp, crispy shrimp coated in a coconut-flavored batter, often served with a dipping sauce. Hawaiian plate, a generous combination plate featuring several Hawaiian dishes like poi, luau, Kalua Pig, Lomi Lomi Salmon, and more. These dishes highlight the unique flavors and cultural influences that make Hawaiian cuisine so special.